Narrator, look around you. Chances are you're using technology right now, a smartphone, a computer, or listening through headphones. Technology is everywhere, reshaping our lives, how we work, learn, and connect. Being able to talk about technology in English is not just interesting. It's absolutely vital for daily conversations, understanding news, and keeping up with the modern world. It allows you to discuss tools, services, and innovations that impact everyone. That's why, in today's episode of the English Learning Podcast's Beginner Series, we're diving deep into talking about technology. You'll learn essential vocabulary for discussing common devices, their functions, and their impact on our routines. Mastering these simple yet crucial phrases will significantly boost your conversational ability in daily life. In this extensive episode, you're about to hear a natural and easy-to-follow conversation between two friends, Liam and Chloe. They'll discuss their favorite gadgets, how technology helps them, and even touch on the future of tech. They'll use clear, simple English with repetition, making it easy for you to understand and start talking about technology confidently. After their discussion, we'll have a short, interactive practice session to help you actively use these new words and phrases yourself. Listen closely to their simple English and the helpful vocabulary they use. Get ready to expand your English skills and join the tech conversation. Liam: Hi Chloe. How are you today? I was just thinking about how much we use technology every day. What is one piece of technology you use every day, Chloe? Chloe: Hi Liam. I'm doing well, thanks. You're right, technology is everywhere. The one piece of technology one uses every day is my smartphone. I use it for almost everything. Calling, texting, checking emails, and listening to music. What about you, Liam? What's one piece of technology you use every day? Liam: My smartphone too, Chloe. So essential. I use my smartphone every single day just like you. It helps me communicate with family and friends, and I use it for maps when I go to new places. Do you think your smartphone is very important for your daily life, Chloe? Chloe: Yes, my smartphone is very important for my daily life, Liam. I can't imagine my day without it. It helps me stay connected, and I can do many tasks quickly, like checking my bank balance or ordering food. It's like a small computer in my pocket. Do you use a computer often, Liam? Liam: My smartphone is also very important, Chloe. It's truly a mini computer. Yes, I use a computer very often. I use my laptop for work every day. I also use my desktop computer at home for watching movies and playing games. Do you use a computer often, Chloe? Chloe: Yes, I use a computer very often too, Liam. I use my laptop for studying and writing. I also use a desktop computer at my office for work tasks. Computers are very important for doing big tasks and for typing. Do you use the internet every day, Liam? Liam: Yes, I use the internet every day, Chloe. It's impossible to do my work without it. I use the internet for research, for sending emails, and for video calls. I also use it for entertainment, like watching videos online. Do you use the internet every day, Chloe? Chloe: Yes, I use the internet every day, Liam. Absolutely. I use it for learning, for entertainment, and for talking to people far away. The internet helps me get information quickly. I can read news from all over the world. What do you think is the best thing about the internet, Liam? Liam: The best thing about the internet, Chloe, is that it helps us learn new things very easily. I can find information about anything from cooking recipes to historical facts. It's like having a huge library at home. And it helps us connect. What do you think is the best thing about the internet, Chloe? Chloe: The best thing about the internet, Liam, is communication. I can talk to my family who live in other cities using video calls. I can send messages to friends instantly. It makes the world feel smaller. It helps me feel close to people even when they are far away. Do you use social media apps, Liam? Like Facebook or Instagram? Liam: Yes, I do use social media apps, Chloe. I use Instagram to share photos with friends and see what they are doing. I also use WhatsApp for chatting. It's a quick way to stay in touch. Do you use social media apps, Chloe? Chloe: Yes, I use social media apps too, Liam. I use Instagram to follow artists and see beautiful pictures. I also use Facebook to keep up with old friends and see events. They're good for sharing moments. What about online shopping, Liam? Do you use technology for online shopping? Liam: Yes, I definitely use technology for online shopping, Chloe. I often buy clothes, books, and electronics online. It's very convenient because I can shop from home at any time. The products come directly to my door. Do you use technology for online shopping, Chloe? Chloe: Yes, I use technology for online shopping too, Liam. So easy and saves a lot of time. I buy groceries online sometimes and also gifts for friends. I like that I can compare prices from different stores easily. What do you think is a disadvantage of technology, Liam? Liam: That's a good question, Chloe. A disadvantage of technology can be that we sometimes spend too much time on screens. Looking at a phone or computer all day can hurt our eyes or make us feel tired. It can also make us less active. What do you think is a disadvantage of technology, Chloe? Chloe: I agree, spending too much time on screens is a big disadvantage, Liam. Another disadvantage of technology is that it can make us less social in person. Sometimes people look at their phones instead of talking to the people around them. We might miss real conversations. Do you think technology makes us lazy sometimes, Liam? Liam: You're right, Chloe. Technology can make us less social in person. Yes, I think technology can make us lazy sometimes. For example, we don't need to walk to the library anymore because we can find information online. We don't need to write letters because we can send emails. It makes things too easy sometimes. Do you use any smart devices at home, Chloe? Like a smart speaker or smart lights? Chloe: Yes, technology making us lazy is true in some ways, Liam. It does make many tasks very easy. Yes, I have a smart speaker at home. I use it to play music, check the weather, and set alarms. It's very convenient because I can just speak to it. Do you have any smart devices at home, Liam? Liam: A smart speaker sounds very convenient, Chloe. Just speaking to it is great. Yes, I have some smart lights at home. I can control them with my phone. I can turn them on or off or change their color even when I'm not home. It's very useful for security and for setting the mood. Do you think technology helps us learn new languages, Chloe? Chloe: Smart lights controlled by phone sound very cool and useful, Liam. Yes, I definitely think technology helps us learn new languages a lot. There are many apps for learning languages like Duolingo or Babbel. You can listen to native speakers, practice pronunciation, and learn new words easily. Do you use any apps for learning or education, Liam? Liam: Yes, technology is a big help for language learning, Chloe. Those apps are great. Yes, I use some apps for learning and education. I use an app to learn about space and planets. I also use apps to watch educational videos about history. It's a fun way to learn outside of school or work. What is one piece of technology you wish existed, Chloe? Something new? Chloe: Learning about space and history through apps sounds very interesting and fun, Liam. I wish I had more time for that. One piece of technology one wish existed is a teleporter. I want to instantly travel from one place to another, like from my home to another country, in a second. It would save so much time and money for travel. What is one piece of technology you wish existed, Liam? Liam: A teleporter would be amazing, Chloe. Imagine instantly going to India from here. That would be incredible for travel. One piece of technology one wish existed is a universal translator. I want a small device that can instantly translate any language I hear or speak in real time. It would make talking to people from different countries so easy and fun. Do you think robots will become more common in our daily lives, Chloe? Chloe: A universal translator would be truly revolutionary, Liam. It would break down all language barriers. Yes, I think robots will become more common in our daily lives. Maybe robots will clean our houses or deliver food. Some factories already use many robots. In the future, robots might help old people or help in hospitals. What do you think, Liam? Will robots be very common? Liam: Yes, I think robots will be very common in our daily lives too, Chloe. They might help us with difficult or boring tasks. Maybe robots will drive cars or serve food in restaurants. But I hope they don't replace all human jobs. It will be interesting to see. Do you use any technology for entertainment, Chloe? Chloe: Robots helping with tasks sounds very helpful, Liam. It will be interesting to see how jobs change. Yes, I use a lot of technology for entertainment. I watch movies and TV shows on streaming services like Netflix. I also listen to music on my smartphone and sometimes I play games on my computer. Do you use any technology for entertainment, Liam? Liam: Yes, I use a lot of technology for entertainment too, Chloe. I watch sports on my smart TV. I also play video games on my game console like PlayStation or Xbox. And I listen to podcasts just like this one on my smartphone. It's a big part of my free time. Do you think technology makes our lives easier, Chloe? Chloe, yes, technology certainly makes our lives easier, Liam. It helps us save time and effort. For example, washing machines clean clothes faster, and online banking helps us manage money without going to the bank. It makes many daily tasks simple. What do you think, Liam? Does technology make life easier? Liam, yes, I absolutely think technology makes our lives much easier, Chloe. It makes communication faster, shopping more convenient, and learning more accessible. It automates many processes. Even for simple things like turning off lights with a phone, it saves energy and time. Do you think there are any privacy concerns with technology, Chloe? Like, is our information safe? Chloe, technology making our lives much easier is undeniable, Liam. Convenience in communication, shopping, and learning is huge. Yes, I think there are privacy concerns with technology. Our information, like our location or what we search online, can sometimes be shared. It's important to be careful about what we share and what permissions we give to apps. We need to be aware of our digital footprint. What do you think, Liam? Are privacy concerns a big problem? Liam, yes, I think privacy concerns are a big problem, Chloe. Companies collect a lot of our data and sometimes this data is not secure. It's important to use strong passwords and be careful about sharing personal information online. We need to protect our digital identity. Do you ever use GPS or map apps to find your way, Chloe? Chloe, yes, strong passwords and careful sharing are essential for digital identity, Liam. You're right, it's a big problem. Yes, I use GPS or map apps all the time, especially when I go to a new place or when I'm driving. They are very helpful for finding directions and estimating travel time. I can't imagine traveling without them now. Do you use GPS or map apps, Liam? Liam, yes, I use GPS and map apps very often, Chloe. They are incredibly useful. Whether I'm walking, driving, or taking public transport, they help me find the fastest route and avoid getting lost. They have completely changed how we navigate. Do you think technology helps people stay healthier, Chloe? Chloe, GPS and map apps have indeed revolutionized navigation, Liam. They are lifesavers. Yes, I think technology helps people stay healthier in many ways. There are fitness trackers that count your steps and monitor your heart rate. There are apps that help you meditate or track your sleep. And doctors can use technology for better diagnosis. What do you think, Liam? Does technology help with health? Liam, fitness trackers, meditation apps, sleep tracking, and better medical diagnosis. Those are all great examples of how technology helps with health, Chloe. Yes, I also think technology helps us stay healthier. It provides information about nutrition and exercise. Online resources can help us understand symptoms. And smartwatches can remind us to stand up or drink water. This has been a great chat about technology. I've really enjoyed hearing about your smartphone use and thoughts on the future. Chloe, yes, it has been, Liam. I've really enjoyed hearing about your computers, your online shopping habits, and your views on robots. It's always fun to talk about something so present in our lives. Liam, it definitely is, Chloe. It makes me realize how much we rely on it every day. Well, it was really nice talking to you about technology. I should probably go check my notifications now. Chloe, of course, Liam. I understand completely. Enjoy your notifications. It was really nice catching up with you and talking about all these exciting tech topics. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Liam, you too, Chloe. Maybe we can talk about new gadgets next time. See you around soon. Chloe, see you, Liam. Practice session. Your turn to speak. Narrator. All right, it's your turn to practice. I'll ask you a question about technology. Listen to my question, then say your answer aloud. Try to use the new phrases you heard today. What is one piece of technology you use every day? Say it now. Good. Now, what do you think is the best thing about the internet? Excellent. One more. Do you think technology makes our lives easier? Narrator. Fantastic work. Now just quickly repeat these 3 important phrases after me. My smartphone is very important. The internet helps me learn. Technology makes life easier. Narrator. You're doing great. Keep practicing talking about technology in English. Conclusion. Narrator. Wow, you've done an incredible job today. You just practiced a very relevant and pervasive topic, talking about technology in English. You can now confidently discuss common tech devices, their daily uses, the pros and cons of technology, and even express ideas about its future. This is a tremendous step in your English journey. Remember to use these new phrases every day. The next time you use a gadget or someone asks about your digital life, try to describe it in English to yourself or a friend. Every time you practice, you're building real confidence step by wonderful step. Keep learning, keep speaking. Don't miss our next lesson in the beginner series. Goodbye for now.